Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to ping your iPhone using this watch and how to find your devices using your iPhone. So in order to ping your iPhone using your Apple Watch, you just have to press the side button once to open the control center. Here, using your digital crown to navigate, scroll to the ping option that looks like a phone ringing, and then once you tap on it, your phone will emit a sound which will help you find it if it's nearby. Now, as for the watch, if you want to find your watch, you have to locate Find My application on your iPhone, then open it, go to the list of your devices, and then find your Apple Watch on the list, and then you can play sound. You can watch its location on the map first of all, and you can play sound by clicking this option right here. It's available once you select your Apple Watch on the list, and using this sound you will also be able to locate your Apple Watch once it's nearby. So that's it for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.